Hello, today I'm going to give an update on Google Career Certificates. I just woke up in the morning and I found an update in my browser. Be very keen to see these updates. So I came to my browser and I found an update that by 2022, we will train 10 million people in Africa with digital skills that can help them grow their career or business. As we can see, Matt Brittin, president of EMEA Business and Operation in Google, we can see their signature here, says that we believe in leveling the playing field for everyone. The internet is one of the world's most powerful equalizer. We see it as our job to make it available to as many as people as possible. So I came to the page that they were talking about the Google Career Certificates. After clicking the link here, Google Career Certificates, it led me to this page where I can see the Google Career Certificates. We can see that Google is offering some free career certificates, flexible online training programs designed to earn job-ready skills in high-growth career fields such as data analytics, digital marketing and e-commerce, IT support, project management and UX design, available on coursera.com. No relevant experience or degrees required. You really do not need a degree or prior knowledge, but they'll take you step by step because they believe that internet is an equalizer for all, and you're able to get these skills for data analytics, digital, all these skills for free. So to help everyone access learning, we are providing scholarship across Africa through patents, and we can see the link you'll get networks of all free scholarships. Help everyone unlock new opportunities. No experience necessary. Learn at your pace. Stand out to employees. Make your certificate competitive with Google Career Certificate. Once you are done with, you will be able to acquire a Google certificate, and you'll have the enough skills that will land you to a new job place. We can see that they have scholarships available. Google is now providing 150,000 scholarships across Europe, Middle East and Africa to help those who need access to the certificates. We said no experience necessary. Learning job-ready skills with no degree or relevant experience experience are required. You learn at your pace, just through internet in your house, completely online program on your own terms. Earn a certificate in the high growth career in the following career fields. You will be able to learn data analytics. We can see once we click data analytics, we can see here you learn it in Coursera. Once you come to Coursera, we can see enroll for free starting from March 29th. We say this is the path to a career in data analytics. In the program, you will learn in demand skills that will have you job ready in the next 6 months, in the next less than 6 months. No degree, no experience required. So we'll come here. We can see earn a certificate in the high growth career fields. You'll be able to get your skills in data analytics, digital marketing, IT support, and project management, UX design, and after you're done with that, they offer something that really interested me. It's called interview warm-up. After you've learned all the skills here, for you to be able to be ready to earn a career, to earn a job, to be ready to earn a job in less than 6 months, you'll come to interview warm-up. Prepare your next interview with interview warm-up. Interview warm-up is a tool that lets anyone practice answering questions to get more comfortable with interviewing. Your answers will be get transcribed in real time, so that you can review what you said and discover the way to improve the responses. So once we come and say try now, we'll get in the programs that we learned, we'll have Google providing a tool called interview. You will see like it's a quick way to prepare yourself for the next interview in maybe in IT, in project management. Practice the key questions, get an insight about the questions, and get more comfortable. You'll be able to practice, and Google will tell you will transcribe, and it will give you an update of how to improve and get more confident in answering your questions. This is my tutorial, lifestyle tutorials, Google certificates, career certificates. Thank you for sticking with me. I'm very glad to give this update that I saw you, and it is for free. And no, it is totally for free. You'll enroll from March 29th. You'll need no experience, no prior knowledge. You just need to move it at your pace, and you'll be able to learn and get the best out of what Google is offering for the opportunities that Google is offering. Thank you for sticking with me, lifestyle tutorials. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.